Guys, it is a wash day. Sunday, it's been a very lazy Sunday. It's gonna be a late upload, but it is what it is. I'm about to wash the locks. Locks getting washed today. Lego. I don't know if this is gonna be good for the hair or not, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna see. Yeah, guys, drying off my locks. Go through the process of blowing these out. And it's about ear level. So they almost caught up. Not really, but I'm gonna let my hair dry a little longer. I'm gonna cook. The plan is to cook. Cook some shrimp and some broccoli. Yep, gonna do that. Cowboys game is coming on tonight. We're playing the Colts. Ready to watch us destroy them. But yeah, let me know down below, guys. What color should I redo the purple and blue? Should I just do a texture? Should I go for something else? So guys, welcome to the second part of the video. Bear with me, I know it's a little dark, but about to film frying some shrimp, steaming up some broccoli. That's gonna be dinner tonight as we watch the Cowboys beat up on the Colts tonight. Yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hair has been washed. It's been a lock wash day. Now I get to do something else I really enjoy cooking. And so I'm finna fry this shrimp up. But first, gotta get the flour and the seasoning together. Honestly, that's the broccoli you could just microwave, but me, I like to actually steam it. Feel like it tastes better. Just egg lettuce. Right now, just throwing a couple of flour and mix in. This is what you want to start seeing, first flip. Check on the broccoli. Broccoli looking better. Gonna add some butter and stuff to it. That's looking good. Yeah. Live taste test for y'all real quick. That's it right there. My consistency. A little off on how it's fried. Different type of flour than what I usually use. Try one more. Nah, it's good. Try shrimp. Tell me what you think. It's good. That flour a little weird.
It's good though.
Yeah. You gonna get another one? Okay. It's good, y'all. Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna get this last batch out, plate the food, and that's gonna be it for the video. I usually fry shrimp, of course I fry chicken. When I meal prep, I cook a lot of different things, a lot of different ways. I haven't meal prepped in a while, but if you guys want to see more cooking videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That'll let me know y'all want to see me cook more. And I know they're not the prettiest looking pieces of shrimp. They're very thickly breaded. But this taste, like I said, they ain't the prettiest. Oh, this is a pretty piece. Yeah, this is a pretty piece. Hot. Looks so good. Mission accomplished tonight, y'all. Now all I gotta do, post this vid, lay back and watch the Cowboys win. There you go. Oh man, it's hot. It's been your boy Gold. It's been the fried shrimp recipe. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it with some greens, some broccoli. Have a good night. Ooh. Make sure y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button. I'm out.